Boom, gotcha. You'll pay for it.
Take that.
Haha, you missed, nerd.
What's going on here? Mike, you're not supposed to play with food.
He started it.
I did not. He was the one who covered me in tissue.
Mary, I'm sure he was just being playful.
Okay, let's drop this. Besides, we want you guys to get along. Especially if we've seen a lot more of each other.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, Nathan and I have decided to get married.
What?
Yeah. She's going to be your little sister.
You wish. I don't want this nerd as my sister.
Mike, there's nothing wrong with being a nerd. She's a straight A student. I mean, you can learn a lot from her.
Oh, I'd rather eat a slug.
I can find one for you.
Mary,
Mom, I can't live with him. He's so mean to me.
well, you're gonna have to find a compromise because this is happening.
I would appreciate it if the kitchen remains a kitchen when we all live under the same roof. So promise us, you play nice, okay?
But I'm not hungry anymore.
Are you sure this is gonna work out?
Babe, they're just kids. I'm sure in no time they'll get along. Just fine.
This is the last time you fight before I call your parents. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Principal.
we can't live like this.
It's the parents' fault.
I wish just break up.
That's it.
What do you mean?
We have to break them up. That way, I don't have to deal with your pathetic face again.
Wait, are you suggesting that we work together?
As much as I hate him, I'll need your help to get this done. So, what do you say? Shake hands? Ew.
You alright?
Yeah, totally. What's that about?
No, sometimes being too smart has its problems.
Okay. They look terribly in love. How are you going to handle this?
Wait a sec.
What are you doing? It's not time for homework, brain.
Calm down, Raylis. I have an idea. Found it. Look here. It says all healthy relationships share the three core components: respect, love, and trust.
Nerd alert. Sorry.
If we break apart each of these aspects of the relationship, we end up with two single parents.
Sounds neat, smarty pants. Now, how do we do it?
Just follow my lead and watch the master at work.
I wanted to speak to the florist about that's right. Yes, I do confirm the appointment tomorrow at 2. I will tell my fiance. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I thought I heard something.
I didn't.
Oh, hi.
Where were you?
What do you mean?
The wedding rehearsal. Do you know how embarrassing it was for me to sit there with a priest in silence for hours alone?
What are you saying? Nobody mentioned a wedding rehearsal to me.
Why are you so absent-minded? You always forget the things that are important to me. You don't respect me at all. let this happen, though? I swear, I feel like you don't even care about us getting married.
You know, if we wanted to draw your stuff together, nothing could have happened, but you're always too busy.
Too busy? I was working. And you can't even handle picking up the wedding rings on your own?
Okay. Stuff like this should be done as a family, don't you think?
How can I believe that you're serious about this relationship and that you love and care for me when you can't even handle picking up the wedding bands without losing them? Whatever.
Time for round 3, nerd. Got any ideas?
I think I've got something. Stay there. Make sure no one comes in. Come here. Look, it's your dad and his new girlfriend.
You're a genius.
How could you?
Okay.
Oh, you find this funny?
Who is that?
You tell me who's that.
I don't know this woman.
Sure you don't.
Okay, you serious? But that's Photoshop, don't you see that?
Why would anyone try to Photoshop you with another woman? At least try to come up with a better excuse.
Come on, babe. I'm not lying. I don't know her.
Then explain to me who this woman is.
I already told you. I don't know her. I'm asking you to trust me.
Trust you. How can I be with someone who doesn't respect, love, or care for me? And you're asking me to trust you? I'm sorry. But the wedding is off.
Hey. Evelyn, please don't do this. You can.
I've made
Please.
up my mind.
Come on.
Weather favoring British here. Rain on this 1 block, and the weather picture looks favorable enough at this point that the rain should go. The Blue Jays will be without Sturridge in the city for a couple of weeks, having problems pitching out Still in baseball, the Yankees win.
You think you can hide from me forever? I thought I told you I want my history project done by Monday. It's Thursday now, and I have a failing grade.
You can't make me do your stuff.
I think I can. And now I'm going to show you exactly how. So you better think twice before crossing me next time.
Monica, why don't you pick on someone else?
Mind your own business.
Go away before I throw this in your face.
This isn't over.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You know, I have to say this. I think we made a mistake. My mind's feeling miserable.
To be honest, my dad is a complete mess too.
Maybe it wouldn't be so bad if we were step-siblings. As long as you promise, no more pranks.
Okay, but we can't just watch chess tournaments on TV all day. I want to watch my stuff too.
Deal.
What?
I guess we finally compromised like your parents wanted us to. We ended up creating our own relationship while attempting to destroy the core of theirs.
God, you're such a nerd.
Oh,
What
hi.
are you doing here?
Mike texted me that he's in trouble at your place.
Mary texted me the exact same thing. Let's go. What's going on here?
So, yeah.
We're responsible for everything that happened.
We made you guys break up.
You two did what?
The wedding rehearsal, the rings, the Photoshop. It was all us.
But why?
Mike and I didn't want to live together, so we thought it would be better if you two didn't get married.
And you're telling us this now. Why?
Because your happiness is far more important to us. Besides, Mike isn't that horrible.
We are so sorry. We promise the kitchen will always remain a kitchen. Please get back together.
I don't know what to say. We wanted the kids to get along so much that now they've created a strong team.
Yeah, I can see that. You and I can create a great team as well. I mean, if you still...
1,000 times yes.